Artificial intelligence is no longer a technology for programmers or data scientists. It's a universal tool that anyone can use to think, create, and solve problems faster. The phrase AI for everyone captures a powerful truth. You don't need to be technical to take advantage of AI. You just need curiosity and a willingness to explore what's possible. For decades, AI was locked away behind complex algorithms, research labs, and computer code. Only experts could train models or interpret their results. But that world has changed. Thanks to tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Midjourney, Runway, and dozens more, AI has become accessible, conversational, and human-centered. Anyone with an internet connection can now tap into the creative and analytical power of machines. AI for everyone is about empowerment. Teachers can design lesson plans faster. Entrepreneurs can generate business ideas and marketing content instantly. Designers can visualize concepts with a single text prompt. Students can learn complex topics through personalized AI tutors. Even individuals who once felt intimidated by technology can now harness AI to make daily life easier and more productive. It's like having an intelligent assistant available 24 hours a day, one that never gets tired and adapts to your needs. What makes this revolution so remarkable is how intuitive it has become. You don't have to learn a programming language. You simply talk to AI as if you were talking to a knowledgeable friend. You describe what you want: a summary, a visual, a business plan, or even emotional support, and AI responds instantly. The more specific your request, the better the result. This simplicity has opened doors for millions of people to express themselves in new ways, regardless of their background or education level. AI is also transforming how we work. It's helping people automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for creativity and strategy. In offices, AI tools summarize meetings, draft emails, and analyze data. In education, AI assists in grading and personalized learning. In healthcare, it helps doctors review scans and identify conditions faster. And for freelancers, artists, and creators, AI becomes a studio, a co-writer, a designer, and a research assistant, all rolled into one. But AI for everyone isn't just about productivity. It's about democratizing creativity. In the past, only professionals with years of experience could produce professional quality videos, music, or designs. Now, anyone can. The barriers between imagination and execution are disappearing. With a few well-crafted prompts, people are turning ideas into art, stories, and businesses. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes part of everyday life, it's essential to understand how to use it wisely and ethically. We must verify facts, respect originality, and remain transparent about AI-generated work. The goal isn't to let machines think for us, it's to use them to think with us. The true beauty of AI for everyone lies in inclusion. It doesn't matter what language you speak, where you live, or what your job title is, AI is becoming a global equalizer. It's giving people the tools to compete, create, and communicate on a global stage. Whether you're an artist in Kenya, a teacher in India, or a small business owner in Brazil, you now have access to the same AI power as billion-dollar corporations. AI for everyone is not a dream. It's already here. And the people who learn to use it thoughtfully will be the ones shaping the future. You don't need to be a coder to change the world with AI. You just need imagination, empathy, and the courage to start experimenting. Because in this new era, the question isn't who can use AI, it's how far each of us can go with it.